Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good. So, today is your English class. First of all, take your English book and then your English literature notebook. Then take some sketch pens, scale, pencil, sharpener, eraser. And come to the chapter 2, One Rainy Day. Earlier you had done the question answer of this chapter as well as the take the correct answer. Now we will do the make sentences of this chapter. Now open your English literature notebook and write down the chapter name. Write down the date 23/7/2021. Day Friday, Friday, and write down the class work. Now write down the chapter name, which is ONE1 RAINY, rainy, DAY, day, rainy day. Now underline this, one rainy day. Now write down the MAKE, make, SENTENCES, make sentences. MAKE, make, SENTENCES, sentences. Now write down the first sentence. Now write down one, which is window, WINDOW, window. Underline this. Now write down the sentence. RAVI, Ravi, OPENED, opened, a WINDOW, window. Ravi opened a window. Now underline the window word. Now write down the second word, which is spread, SPREAD, spread. Underline this word. Now write down the sentence. SITA, Sita, likes, 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 TO2, SPREAD, spread, JAM, jam, on, HER, her, TOAST, toast. Sita likes to spread jam on her toast. Now underline the spread word. Now write down the third one. GLAD, 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 glad. Underline this. Now write down am, GLAD, glad, to MEET, meet, YOU, I am glad to meet you. Now underline this glad word. Now fourth word is rainy, RAINY, rainy. A R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. D-A-Y, day. B-R-I-N-G-S, brings. J-O-Y, joy. A-N-D, and. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S, happiness. Now underline the rainy word. Now come to the page second. And now write down the last word, which is fifth. T-E-A-R-S, tears. T-E-A-R, tear. S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slept. D-O-W-N, down. H-E-R, her. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. Now underline the word. Now I am going to give you the meaning of these sentences. The first sentence is window. Ravi opened a window. Ravi ने अपनी window means खिड़की खोली. Spread. Sita likes to spread jam on her toast. सीता को बहुत पसंद है अपने टोस्ट के ऊपर जैम लगाना. Spread means फैलाना. ओके. Glad. I am glad to meet you. Glad means खुशी. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आपसे मिलके. The fourth one is rainy. A rainy day brings joy and happiness. जो रेनी डे होता है यानी कि जब बारिश होती है वो हमारे लिए वो क्या लेके आती है? जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस, मतलब खुशी. ठीक है, खुशी लेके आती है. टीयर्स. टीयर्स स्लिप्ड डाउन हर चीक. एक आंसू गिरता हुआ उसके चीक मतलब गालों पे आ गया. ओके. Now that's all for today's class. Now you have to do in your English literature notebook and send to me before 2 p.m. Otherwise you will be marked absent. Okay? Students, bye bye. Take care and have a good day.